Okay, good evening friends. Today we will take summary of the previous chapter, that is chapter number 1. Okay, so statistics deals with aggregate. An individual to a statistician has no significance except the fact that it is a part of aggregate. We have seen this type of classification. Okay, so the data is classified as primary data, secondary data. Then we considered mode of presentation of data: textual presentation, tabular presentation or tabulation, and diagrammatic representation. Now for this diagrammatic representations, there are different diagrams. Those are line diagram or histogram, bar diagram, pie chart. Then we considered frequency distribution. Frequency distribution for group data as well as for ungrouped data. In this frequency distribution, we considered that range of the given data, then less than cumulative frequency as well as more than cumulative frequency, and how do we write that data in terms of what frequencies by using tally marks, right? So all this we considered in frequency distribution. And for frequency distribution, again we have different charts. Those are either histogram, less than frequency curve, more than frequency curve, that U shape, J shape, bell shape curve, all those are there. Now let us consider this exercise. So we have to answer the following questions. So question number 1 is, which of the following statement is false? Now all these things are there in your notes. Okay, so what they have given us first as statistics is derived from the Latin word status. You will check with that corresponding this different countries having different names. So from that what we observe, the statistics is derived from the French word statistics. This is actually the wrong statement. Okay, so therefore this is the false option. Now second question is, statistics is defined in terms of numerical data in the singular sense, plural sense, either A or B, and both A and B. So statistics is nothing but what? It is not related with single observation, it is set of observations. So it is plural sense. Okay, now third question is, statistic is applied in economics, business management, commerce and industry, all of the above. Those application of statistics are, there are different applications. So all these three covered in this. So all these are the correct one. Now come to the fourth question. Statistics is concerned with, first is qualitative information, second is quantitative information, third is AB, so either qualitative or quantitative, and last is both A and B. Yes, statistics is concerned with qualitative as well as quantitative information, so option D is the correct one. Now the fifth question is, an attribute is. What we know about attribute? So if I have let us consider whether a student is male or female, girl or boy. So this is nothing but what? This attribute is sex, and whether it is male or female. So those are two types. So this is attribute is what? It is qualitative characteristics. It is not quantitative characteristics, measurable characteristics, all of this. So what is the correct answer? Correct answer is qualitative characteristics. Now the sixth question is, annual income of person is. So first option is an attribute, second is a discrete variable, third is continuous variable, fourth is B or C. So either it will be discrete or continuous. Okay, so annual income of person is nothing but discrete variable. Now there are two types, one is discrete, another is continuous. It is not attribute because the income in terms of what? Numbers. So I have a discrete variable. What is difference between discrete and continuous?